Umasipala wase-Ekurhuleni ubhekene nengwadla njengoba ushodelwa indawo yokungcwaba.
At this stage, there is a pressure in terms of the demand between the living and the dead. The living, that is in terms of the residential land space, and the dead in terms of the burial space. Our projections at this stage have indicated that in the next 30 years, we will not be able to bury people.
Lokhu sekuphoqa umasipala ukuthi uthungathe ezinye izindlela ezingasetshenziswa ukungcwaba.
We're saying people should consider cremation. It is the most affordable method of burial, and it saves space. And we're saying people, families specifically, can bury up to 3 family members in one grave.
Inhlangano yaseMelika ezibiza nge-Urban Death Project isebenza ngokomisa umzimba womufi bese uphenduka umanyolo abebe sebewusebenzisela ukutshala ukudla. Bathi lokhu kusekela imvelo kodwa kuphinde kusize nasekwenzeni impilo entsha. Kodwa lokhu kungase kube nzima ukukwamukela.
Part of the concern here is often that the way in which we conceive of death and what to do with the remains, the human remains upon the event of death, are so deeply socialized and specifically ingrained that it becomes difficult for people to imagine other ways of doing the very same thing.
Njengoba indawo yokungcwaba iya ngokuncipha, ezinye izindlela zilokhu ziqhamukile, kanti abangasekho bethu bangagcina ngempela bewumhlabathi.